How's it going, guys? Welcome to my newest listing. I'm sitting on the front porch of 16 Sparkle Lane here in Garner, North Carolina. Perfect little place to welcome your friends and have porch wine. This little gym is a 3-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,400 square feet on about almost 0.75 acres. In fact, why don't I just go show you? Let's go take a look at the inside. Allow me to welcome you to this cute little home. After all, love grows best in little houses just like this. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,445 square foot home. It's nestled on 0.75 acres with plenty of space to do whatever you want. In fact, there's already a shed right here. And check out the neighbor's garden. Maybe we can take that as some inspiration where you can have your own garden here too. Whatever it is that you want, there's plenty of space to do it.